Death Valley, California, a complete travel guide for travelers. Death Valley, located in California's Mojave Desert, is one of the world's most unique and extreme landscapes. Known for its dramatic desert scenery, extreme temperatures, and geological wonders, it draws in explorers, adventurers, and content creators. It's the lowest, hottest, and driest national park in the U.S., which makes it an intriguing spot for anyone wanting to capture breathtaking footage or experience the awe of nature's extremes. Co-founded, European Americans first explored Death Valley during the 1849 California Gold Rush. A group of pioneers, the 49ers, got lost while trying to find a shortcut. After enduring the harsh conditions, only one person died, but the name Death Valley was coined because the survivors believed they would perish. What it looks like: Death Valley is a striking desert landscape filled with diverse terrain. It features dunes, rugged mountains, deep canyons, salt flats, and colorful rocks that appear almost otherworldly. One of its most iconic views is from Zabriskie Point, offering panoramic views of the valley's eroded landscape. Contrast between the bright white salt flats and the dark jagged mountains is mesmerizing. Badwater Basin, the lowest point in North America, 282 feet 86 meters below sea level. Mesquite Flats Sand Dune. Dandy's View, a high viewpoint that allows for a sweeping view of the valley floor. Racetrack Playa, known for its moving rocks phenomenon, where stones appear to have slid across the dry lake bed, leaving behind long trails. Why it's called Death Valley. Death Valley earned its ominous name from the group of pioneers who rarely survived their journey through the region. They faced extreme heat, lack of water, and disorienting terrain. Today, despite the threatening name, the valley is a thriving ecosystem for plants, animals, and curious adventurers. Scientific facts and analysis. 1. Hottest place on Earth. Death Valley holds the record for the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth. 134 F56.7 at Furnace Creek in 1913. Average summer temperatures frequently exceed 120 F49 Celsius. 2. Geological wonder. The valley lies at the intersection of tectonic plates, which has created its unique landscape. Region is part of the Basin and Range Province, where the Earth's crust stretches and bends, forming deep valleys and high mountain ranges. Creek salt flats and playas. Death Valley salt flats, like Badwater Basin, form when minerals left behind by evaporating water collect on the valley floor. During flash floods, temporary lakes form but evaporate quickly, leaving expansive salt plains. 4. Wildlife. Despite the harsh conditions, Death Valley is home to various species, including the desert tortoise, bighorn sheep, roadrunners, and coyotes. During spring, wildflowers can bloom after rare rainstorms, offering a stunning burst of color. Tips for travelers planning to visit Death Valley. Best time to visit. The ideal time to visit Death Valley is during the cooler months from October to April. Summers are unbearably hot, and the temperature can be dangerous. What to carry? Water. Carry at least 1 gallon for liters of water per person per day, as dehydration is a serious risk in the extreme heat. All sun protection, sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and sunglasses are essential to protect from the intense desert sun. All sturdy footwear, hiking boots or sturdy shoes are a must, as the terrain is rugged and often rocky. All layered clothing. Even in the desert, temperatures can drop significantly at night. Bring layers to adjust to the varying climate. All snacks and energy bars. Food options are limited in the park, so carry enough snacks to your energy levels. All navigation tools. A reliable map or GPS device is necessary since cell phone reception is limited. Travel tips. All start early if you plan on hiking or exploring. Start early in the morning to avoid the worst of the heat. All gas up. There are only a few gas stations in and around the park, so make sure your vehicle is fueled before you enter. All respect nature. Stay on marked trails to protect the fragile desert ecosystem and avoid disturbing wildlife. Or emergency precautions. If your vehicle breaks down, stay with it and conserve energy. In such extreme conditions, leaving the vehicle in search of valley offers stunning backdrops and unique opportunities. Why visit Death Valley? Entertainers. From expansive salt flats to dunes and rocky canyons, the surreal landscape is ideal for creative storytelling, photography, and videos. Whether it's vlogging your travels, creating nature documentaries, or crafting cinematic content, Death Valley delivers an unforgettable visual experience. Additionally, the region's quiet isolation and extreme beauty make it a powerful setting for introspective or inspirational videos. In conclusion, Death Valley is more than just a name. It's a destination filled with mystery, beauty, and awe-inspiring natural wonders. Whether you're visiting to explore its history, marvel at its extreme landscape, or capture stunning footage, it's a must-see for travelers, YouTubers, and content creators. Remember to plan wisely, respect the desert's power, prepare for a truly unforgettable experience. Thank you for exploring Death Valley. Safe travels.